For this problem, we're asked to determine the order in which sub-expressions are executed. So what we've got on this return statement line is a call on function max. Max takes two arguments. In order to evaluate max, we need to start by evaluating its arguments. The first argument is a call on function min. In order to evaluate it, we need to evaluate its arguments, num1 and num2. So that's the first step. Once num1 and num2 have been evaluated, then min can be evaluated, so that's step 3. And at that point, the first argument to max has been evaluated, so we move on to evaluating the second argument. The second argument, we will evaluate value 1, then value 2. Once those two arguments have been evaluated, we can evaluate the call on min. And at this point, we can evaluate the call on max. Step 7. Now for a second problem.
To begin, we have a call on function pow.
We start by evaluating its first argument, and that's step 1. And then we need to move on to evaluating its second argument. We try to evaluate pow, but we need to evaluate its first argument. That's also a call on pow, so the next step is to evaluate its argument. Then we evaluate its second argument. Now we can evaluate that call on pow. That takes care of the first argument to this pow. Moving on to the second argument. And now to this call on pow. Step 6. To the outer call on pow.
And we're done.